I picked up these LV trainer sneakers from icystar.ru for $192. And with the discount code PLUG, you get $20 off. Honestly, a great deal for the quality you're getting. These fit true to size, and the first thing I noticed was the premium craftsmanship. The materials feel high-end, the stitching is super clean, and everything comes complete with the original box and accessories, which is a nice touch. Comfort-wise, they're solid. I'd say 9 out of 10. They've got a soft, supportive feel that makes them perfect not just for walking around, but also for those slightly more dressed-up occasions. And style-wise, they're super versatile. You can wear them with almost anything. Jeans, cargos, even tailored pants. And they work just as well for a casual fit as they do for a night out or dinner with your girl. A little backstory. The LV trainer was originally designed by Virgil Abloh and first dropped in 2019, inspired by retro basketball sneakers with a luxury twist. Each pair reportedly takes over 7 hours of stitching, which really shows in the construction. It's become one of the most iconic silhouettes in Louis Vuitton's sneaker line, mixing streetwear energy with high fashion. So again, if you're looking to grab a pair, head over to icystar.ru and don't forget to use the code PLUG at checkout to save $20. You're getting that luxury look and feel, but without paying retail prices.
MOVE, I gotta make a move quick. Hustler, my blood and all my movements. He's a dub, readjusted who I move with. MOVE, I had to make a move split. Hustler, my blood and all my movements. MOVE, play by the rules, kid. Hustler, I gotta make a move slit. Next flip, next play, move in. MOVEI, let's go. MOVEI. Ever since I took the training wheels off, been running at full pace. The pen and peels off the paper and move weight. We just trying to live life. Survival isn't enough. That's why I climb to reach heights through rhyme and I'm getting bucks. Yup, what's it all about? Money, that's just the means to an end. Without friends, I'm nothing. Without my team, we convene. Execute strategy with finesse. Bless, I exude my battery till I rest. It's a test. How much do you want it? You find out. When there's no one to cheer you along, you find out. I'm about perseverance and progress. My time on the earth spent making the timeless. MOVE, I gotta make a move quick. Hustler by blood and all my movements. He's a dub, readjusting who I move with. MOVE, I had to make a move split. Hustler by blood and all my movements. MOVE, play by the rules, kid. Hustler, I gotta make a move slip. Next flip, next day, move in. MOVEI, let's go. MOVEI, let's. Verse 2, shorter because I gotta go. I'm the best, they don't realize it, so they gotta know I'm a pro. 19 years, no breaks. My best advice is figure it out.